In this video, I will be showing you how to connect GitHub with Claude AI. So let's get started. To the leftmost top, we'll be having this menu option. Select it. This will open the sidebar. Here we are having the option Customize. Select it. And in Customize, we'll be having here Connectors. Click that. And in Connectors, we'll be having this Not Connected and GitHub integration. Click on this GitHub integration and click on Connect. We will be redirected to the GitHub login. Just sign in with your GitHub account over here. Just click on Authorize. After we click on Authorize, we will be redirected back to Claude AI, and these are the things that we can perform. If you want to disconnect it, you can simply click on Disconnect. Now just go back. Now just click on this plus icon and we'll be having this Add from GitHub option. Select it. Here we'll be having Select a repository. Click that, and this is a repository that I'm having over here. Another thing that I noticed is it can only access the public repositories. For example, if I go to my GitHub, right, this is that GitHub account. I'm having here two repositories. This is private and another one is public. And here, as you can see, I'm only having that public repository over here. And if you want to put a link, you can put the link of the GitHub URL also. So that's basically up to you. So I'll just select this repository over here. And I'm only having this single HTML file. If you select it, all the files will be getting selected. So I'll just select this way. We'll be also having the capacity and click on Add Files. Now we can ask any questions regarding this. I will just go and say, can you explain the code? It will give you the breakdown of the code that is available. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.